All right, question number 15. We want to evaluate the following limit, and we are looking at the limit as x goes to pi over 2 of 5 times sine x minus 1, and then we have cosine squared x on the bottom. Okay, so again, if we were to plug in pi over 2 and write your unit circle, pi over 2 is here. The order pair is 0, 1. This is x, this is y. Cosine is the x value, so if I plug in pi over 2, cosine of pi over 2 is going to give me the x coordinate, which is 0. So I'm dividing by 0. It doesn't help. We got to try something else. Again, it is squared, so we're going to use Pythagorean identity. You refer to your trig cheat sheet. The identity we want to use has sine squared x plus cosine squared x equals 1. And then we want to solve for cosine squared x. So we'll subtract sine squared x, and that will give us cosine squared x equals 1 minus sine squared x. I'm going to replace cosine squared x with 1 minus sine squared x. So 1 minus sine squared x. So from here, 1, we can raise it to any power and it's still 1. We can look at this as 1 squared. Okay, and we can do difference of squares and factor this. So that will give us, the numerator will stay the same, and the denominator will be 1 minus sine of x, and then 1 plus sine of x. Now we do have a term on the numerator, sine x minus 1, but this is backwards. The 1 is positive, up here is negative. The sign is positive, down here is negative. So we're going to factor out a negative 1, and we'll rewrite this so it can look the same. Factoring out a negative 1, that will make the 1 negative. We'll just put it over there in the same position, and the sign will become positive. And then we have 1 plus sine x. So now the sine x minus 1 will divide out, leaving us with a negative 5 divided by 1 plus sine of x. So now that we have it simplified, we're going to try to evaluate the limit again. If we plug in pi over 2 to the sine, that's going to give us the y coordinate of 1. So this is going to be 1 plus 1. So I have a negative 5 divided by 1 plus 1, which gives me a negative 5 over 2. Okay, so we get our limit as negative 5 over 2. Sorry, just kind of running off the page. So this one just asks us for the limit.